Hi everyone, this channel is DIY challenge. My name is Hide. This time I challenged with a request to explain in English. I am glad if you can see it through it is for English. Today I would like to explain the jackpot of Toyota Premio. First of all, it is how to use the pantograph jack that is equipped with chain. Pantograph jacks. And here is the jack point on front, painted blue. Click here for the rear jack points. Please take a look at the text. Next I will explain the jack points for floor jacks. The advantage of a floor jack is that you can lift two wheels at once. However, it is not completely safe. Therefore, be sure to stop the tire. Then please look at the real things. This is the front part, painted blue. The rear is this part. It was easy, but this ends the exploitation. Please enjoy safe and comfortable DIY. Thank you for watching this video. Also, thank you.